Welcome Blue Star School students. Yesterday we saw the exercise number 5.4 which was related to measurements of angle. Now today we are going to see about next exercise number 5.5 which is based on perpendicular line. Let me start exercise number 5.5. Let me take the first question. Which of the following are models for perpendicular line? Which of the following are models of perpendicular lines? So in this problem we have to find given statements are perpendicular or not. Take the first subdivision. The adjacent edge of a triangle of a tabletop. So we have to check whether these statements are perpendicular or not. Let's see an example. Now look at this table. This is a adjacent edge. Okay. This is adjacent to this one. What is called perpendicular line? The line are said to be perpendicular to each other if the angles between them in 90 degree. Okay, here look at this angle. It is 90 degree. Okay. This is 90 degree. So it is called perpendicular line. So here you can see one line is perpendicular to other line. Okay. Next let's move the second subdivision, B subdivision. So this statement is perpendicular line. The shape of tabletop is, it look like this. It form 90 degree. So it is called perpendicular line. Next let's move B subdivision. The line the lines of a railway track. Railway tracks. The lines of a railway track. It is not a perpendicular line. It is not perpendicular line. Because the railway track look like this symbol. So it is parallel line, not a perpendicular line. Next, let me take C subdivision. The line segment forming the letter L. So in this problem, here you can see one line is perpendicular to others. It makes 90 degree. It makes right angle. So this is perpendicular line. Next, let us move D subdivision. The letter V. Is it perpendicular line? No. Here you can see it cross. One line cross each others. So it do not make perpendicular line. So it is not perpendicular line. It look like acute angle. Okay, not right angle. Next we are going to move these against sums. Let line segment PQ. Let line segment PQ be a perpendicular line. Perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let line segment PQ and line segment XY intersect in the point A. What is the measure of PAY? Okay, in this problem the given is the line segment PQ and XY is a perpendicular. Okay, we have to find the angles. That means angle PAY. First let us draw. This is a line segment X, Y. This is line segment P, Q. Here we draw the line segment which will intersect. Okay, here given is intersect point is A. Intersect means meeting point. Here meeting point is A. So we have to mark meeting point as A. We have to measure the angle PAY. So we have to find this angle. Okay. when two lines intersect and the angle between them is a right angles. Okay, then the lines are said to be a perpendicular. So this is a right angle. What is the measure of right angle? Measure of right angle is 90 degree. So the measure of angle PAY is 90 degree. Next, let's see the homework problem. Homework problem. Classify the following as perpendicular or not. So you have to check whether the given diagrams or given angles are perpendicular or not. Okay, so in this A subdivision you have to find this adjacent side of the figure. Second one is you have to find these angles. These lines are perpendicular or not. Next, see the second sum. Draw any rough diagram to illustrate the perpendicular line. So you have to draw any 5 diagrams related to perpendicular line. Okay, thank you students.